Go, another day. Hopefully gonna be able to go grab the whip. They haven't called, but I think it's ready or almost ready, so about to call an Uber. All of them are freaking $40 right now, I guess, because of the time. I don't know, but I'm just gonna go hang out there and wait until it's done instead of getting a call and then going over there. Should be good. Hopefully it's not any bad news. That would suck, but yeah. We just finished up. The damage was this amount here. Now we wait, get all the stuff, and go home. And hopefully no other issues, at least for 6 months. And I'll be pretty happy with the results of my cheap S5 for now. Yeah, that's where they're at. So just waiting for the car to get back from the car wash and we'll be done. I'm out of here. Seem to be mechanically sound. So anything else getting done on this car the rest of this year, honestly, is just gonna have to be like cosmetic. And again, I hope this angle's fine. Not really gonna be able to open it up too much, but just because it's like noon and there's probably traffic. But I'm gonna go ahead and do a couple test hits, a couple test pulls, make sure nothing fucking cracks and breaks on me. This is, I hate when I go to the dealership because the seat always gets adjusted funny. Okay, this is fun. Cool, now we go. Oh, it's fucking terrible. All right. Cool. Probably should have gone the other way, not gonna lie. But that's fun. I'll just wait for all these people to fuck. Oh, there's so many fucking people. Dude, I should have just gone the other way. I should have just gone the other way. Probably gonna go on a little drive. Maybe go buy some pants. Or something like that. Feels like it's a little higher, but every time I get it back from the dealer, it honestly feels so much better. So yeah, I guess that does it for this one. That solves finally, after however many, it's been like maybe a month honestly, but it finally solves the Coolant Chronicles. It went from having just one little leak, I thought it was, to ending up being a much bigger problem and having to get basically redo every single coolant line and a separator. So in the last month I've spent about $3,000. I mean, rear brakes, then rear brakes and rotors, then all the coolant items. I mean, initially the coolant thing was $200. That I did myself. Then I went and spent another $500 on the coolant parts, and then another $900. So $2, $5, $9, $1,600. I think. Yeah, $1,600 plus $1,500. So yeah, about $3,100, which brings the total of this S5 up to just under 15 grand. And now I hope. I mean, I don't really want to count the brakes because that's just a maintenance item, which would have been cool to just get, but I don't want to count that into the cost of the car just because it's a maintenance item. But we'll just include it anyway, just to get it back all up perfect and running. We basically have to It's been $15,000, which I don't think is terrible. And I mean, 15 grand, you get a V8, 6-speed, and no problems. All the other ones that I saw that had maybe a little bit less mileage, but not as much or as intricate of a service history, were around $18,000, and you know, it had like 115,000 miles. So who knows? I probably would have had to run into the same issues with those cars, and I'm just thankful that at least with this, my price point is starting at a lower amount, and then I'll, you know, eventually over time it'll slowly work its way back up there. But yeah, dude, I'm stoked. Coolant issues are fine, hopefully. And I'll probably have to top off the coolant or get a coolant flush soon, just because I don't know if they do that, or if they do that when you go get all these coolant things replaced. But I'll have to go do that and see where I end up. Yeah, cool for now. Until next time. There's this sick little RS5 in front of me. Makes me want one so bad. Audi Dallas. It's like a weird, like purple black or something. I don't know. It looks clean though.